time. Long time you gotta talk to it. Well, I made a discovery. And these little places here that I thought had been used as some marks left because of someone prying on that hood to try and get open. As it turns out, that is not the case at all. And what's going on here is these little bolts. Get a light on that. Now, these little bolts here, it holds that hood trim on, and I think they came with that trim, but they are too long and they are hanging up in my grill, and that's not good. We don't want that. So I'm going to get a little tool and cut those little guys off, and then clean up all this crud that's on here. I got a little steel wool, and that'll clean that right up. Just a little bit of paint on it there. And anyway, I think I've solved the mystery, and that latch should open and close just fine once I get those bolts so they are not digging into my grill. How about that? Well, now, after tapping this in a little, that's all I can do. Let's just tap that in a little. But I removed the excess from those bolts up there, and now this hood closes like it did in 1963. Also opens like it did in 1963, and that's a good thing. Well, I ran a little bit of armor all around in there. I suppose that looks a little better than it did. Anyway, this thing's a driver, you know. It's not really a show car. It's a driver, so that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'll take it out and drive it. And the hood opens and closes. How about that? Okay, I got to finish buttoning up that bumper, get it leveled up and tightened up, and then I'll be ready to kind of put the finishing touches on this thing, I guess. Famous rat rod protein shake. Well, now, things are going pretty good. Aside from having a noisy light up there that's driving me nuts, perseverance.